Hi there, Math Leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of functions. Let's dive into it. Given the function s of x is equals to 8 over 5x plus c, where c is a constant. If s5 is 12, what is the value of s negative 5? So we need to find the value of c. To be able to find the value of that c, we will use the given values. This is the x for the function, and this is the y. 12 is the y, and we will substitute these values. 12 is equals to 8 over 5 times, instead of x, I'm going to write 5 plus c. This is normally 5 over 1, but this cancels this each other out, or if you can do just 8 times 5 is 40. 40 divided by 5 is also gives you 8. So this becomes 8 plus c. To get the value of c, we will just take away 8 from both sides. So 4 is c. So our initial function is 8 over 5x plus 4. And we're looking for, remember, the value of s negative 5. To find that, we will put negative 5 for x plus 4. This negative 5 and 5, when you simplify it, you get negative 1 on top. So s negative 5 is equals to negative 8 plus 4. So s negative 5 is negative 4. So the right choice for this question is choice C. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.